Hey there everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with a review of the PDP RiffMaster guitar controller. If you're into rhythm games like Rock Band 4 or Fortnite Festival, stick around because this might just be the controller you've been waiting for. The PDP RiffMaster marks a return to form for guitar controllers in the gaming world, boasting a design that's both innovative and practical. Let's break down what makes this controller tick. First off, let's talk design. The RiffMaster features a collapsible fretboard, a departure from the detachable necks of older models. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to store, perfect for gamers on the go. It comes equipped with all the essential buttons you'd expect. A strum bar, whammy bar, fret buttons, and additional function buttons for navigation. The build quality is decent, though some may find it a bit lightweight due to its plastic construction. One standout feature is the addition of 5 optional buttons at the bottom end of the fretboard, which adds a fun element for those nail-biting guitar solos. Moving on to performance, the RiffMaster really shines. It's impressively responsive, whether you're playing wirelessly or wired. This means you won't miss a beat even during the most intense gaming sessions. Battery life is another strong suit, offering around 36 hours on a single charge, perfect for marathon gaming sessions. Plus, it charges up quickly via USB-C, which is always a plus. However, the build quality, especially the somewhat flimsy feel and mushy strum bar, might be off-putting for some. It lacks the robustness of older Guitar Hero or Rock Band controllers. So, should you buy the PDP RiffMaster? If you're itching to get back into Rock Band 4 or Fortnite Festival, and you're looking for an affordable, readily available guitar controller, then absolutely consider the RiffMaster. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done with style. And there you have it folks, our deep dive into the PDP RiffMaster guitar controller. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!